Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about cars, bikes, firearms, gaming, and more. Today I'm reviewing the Rasic magazine disassembly tool for Glock. Some reviews that I read said that it breaks the magazines or damages them, especially on the front. I think that's incorrect. I think it's just being used wrong. By the way, I'm no way being compensated for this video. This is independent review. I bought this off Amazon for $8-9 and I read the reviews and I'm like, oh great. And I'm like, yeah, I'll check it out anyway. Okay, so here's how to work it. So take the little nub, stick it in the top, and if you crank on it, you're gonna break the magazine. Alright, so the trick is to squeeze the sides of the magazine. So you squeeze the sides of the magazine and off it comes, just like that. You got your floor plate, your insert, magazine spring and follower, and your magazine. And this is why. So you got these little tabs there, and you got those little edges where the tabs go. And this magazine goes back together as easy as it came apart. Follower, and all you have to do, line this up like so, get it to about here, and again squeeze the sides. You can see where that's hitting. Just squeeze the sides and push it on through, and magazine's good as new. Excellent little tool. It's going to come in really handy. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any thoughts or would like to see anything else. Make a comment. Keep watching, or watch soon for my Glock 34 review up against my Glock 47. Yes, 47. Thank you for watching and have a great day.